Yo, YouTube. It's your man, Rare Kicks back. Let me slide it back. And I got another pack. And we gonna get it cracked. Like I said, y'all know, I had picked up the Aqua 8s. I sent them to my guys, Sneak Peek Restorations. They YouTube will be down below. The Instagram will be down below. So if you need a restoration or you want a custom, hit them guys up. They do good work. They even made a video on this shoe, so you can see they broke it down. And I want to say, shout out to them guys, man. And they were not hitting heads. They didn't hit no heads. And from the video, they did good quality work. So let's get it open. There you go. This thing ain't. Okay. This damn blade, bro. I need to find my other blade, man. Golly. There you go. Alright. That's how the presentation is. Presentation, they reboxed it. I mean, they didn't rebox them, but they just wrapped them up. And they come full of bubble wrap. I needed that. And my shoes, bro. My Aqua 8s are finally finished. Bam. That's the right one. Bring my left one. Them guys are back. I can wear them now. They had a little damage to them, but coming from 2010, I think. No, these are from 07. These are 11 years old. That's the reason I got them cleaned up. That's the reason I got them restored. These things are 11 years old, and now Rare Kicks gonna rock them out. And as y'all seen the unboxing, let's move this sucker. This is the revealing of my Aqua 8s that I got restored by Sneak Peek Restorations. And if you need something, follow them guys, man. Get in touch with them and they'll be glad to help y'all. Because I didn't have time to do the restoration. I did a little bit and then I stopped. So they picked up from where I stopped, and I also even messed them up by trying to acetone the midsole. I actually removed the paint off of this sucker. So by trying to acetone this sucker off. But it's been your man, Rare Kicks. And I'm out of here.